Hey, hello everyone. So, there is a latest update that National Eligibility Test as an entrance exam for admission of PhD. Here they have written as written about the NET exam that you already know, but here they have told that instead of taking the entrance test for PhD admission by multiple universities, there is now common one national entrance test, that is NET. Okay, so the meeting was held on 13th of March 2024, and as per the decision of the meeting, the NET score can be considered for admission to PhD program in place of entrance test conducted by multiple universities. So here is only there will be the one exam which is categorized into three categories. That is, first is award of JRF and appointment as assistant professor. Then another is appointment as assistant professor and admission of to PhD, and admission to PhD only. So your NET score will be considered for these three categories. So if your score is only for the admission to PhD, then you will get PhD admission. If your score is for appointment as assistant professor and admission to PhD, you will be eligible for assistant professorship and admission to PhD, but you will not be eligible for stipend of JRF, Junior Research Fellowship. Okay, but here in case of JRF, if you get an JRF, then you will be eligible for getting a stipend, as well as you can be do a job as an assistant professor in any university or college, and else you can take the admission to PhD. I hope you understood these new changes in the NTA NET examination.